Hey everyone, in today's session we are going to learn how to draw a line in AutoCAD and how many ways in how many different ways I can draw a line. So first of all we are going to take a line and then click specify first point, simply click and then again draw a line and then again click specify second point and then escape. It will, you can see this line, it's drawn now. You can also draw this line by taking a command. uh, um, we can take press L, not L, enter. You can see this line command L, enter, then specify first point and then specify second point and escape. You can draw the line, you can draw the same line as it is. This way you can also draw this line, and you can also take from here also. You can take from here also. You can draw the lines. How many? And now, if you want to draw a line like 100 mm, 100 mm, you want to draw a line of 100 mm. So you need only one thing, that specify first point and then dimension. You can see the measure. You can see the measurement here. If you want to draw a 100 mm line, then you can simply enter the value and then click and then escape. You can see this, the line is drawn of 100 mm. If you want to check it how it is 100 mm, so you can measure it, like it is of 100 mm. So these are the lines how can we draw. And there is also a polyline. You can draw a line in different ways using a single command. When you will select this line, it will select it in single selection. All the lines were selected in single click. And here you can see the difference between this line command and polyline is, line command is individually it will select individual line. It will never select all the lines. It will select individual lines. So these are the difference between the polyline and the simple line. So thank you for this watching this video.